In this video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a little bit more complex staircase. And we're going to start by looking at the level 2 floor plan, but I'm going to go ahead and hide these tags right here. First thing we're going to do is create our staircase here, and then we're going to make adjustments to the railings and the ceilings and floors that the staircase will intersect with to make sure that they are removed in certain spots. So let's start by creating our staircase. We're going to go to the architecture tab and stair. And so as I start to click here at the beginning right here, I'm going to click and drag, and Revit's going to count down the amount of risers I need. Now, the original stairs that are drawn here are a little bit more narrow than they're supposed to be. The treads are about 9 inches and they're supposed to be 10. So I'm going to go ahead and draw this staircase just slightly different so that it's code compliant, but it's going to have mostly the same dimensions. You can see here I've got a couple extra risers, and I'm not going to stop this run until there's equidistant or equal risers on both sides. So 11 risers created and 11 remaining. So I'm going to do my second click. Then I'm going to come back on over here and click again, and you can see that has created this landing. I have to move this staircase just a bit. So I'm going to hit that checkbox so that it thinks of itself all as a unit. I'm going to go ahead and move this up just a little bit so that it's not bumping into the walls. And now what I want to do is I need to extend the railings, the full tread depth in a couple of the areas. But first, let me go ahead and show you what this staircase looks like. Okay, you can see here that the floor and ceiling is not showing up. So let me go ahead and reveal that to you. You can see here the floor and ceiling are hidden. Okay, so these are the two that are going to be in our way. And we will get rid of those now. That's fine. Let's go ahead and start by changing the floor here on level 3, which is the second floor of the building. This is asking if the walls that used to connect to this floor, do I still want them to? I'm going to say no, because I can change that easily on my own, and so can you. Let's go ahead and look at the ceiling on level 2. And I'm tabbing over until it's easy for me to grab. Okay, looking pretty good. Now remember, there is a wall here. For some reason, a couple of things are still hiding. Okay, so we can see that it's coming up to the correct level for the ceiling, but the floor is cut a little too short. So let's go ahead and fix that. Okay, so now it's meeting there just perfectly. And now all I need to do is extend my railings just a bit. So I'm going to click on this railing and look at it on the level 3. And see now that it's selected, it'll allow me to edit the path. So I'm going to click here and see it's turned pink. So this is its buddy on the first floor. We want to pull that out 1 tread depth. This one now is going to come along here. We're going to click and we're going to add railing right here so that the person, once they hit the second level, doesn't fall down over here. Hitting the escape button. And I'm going to check the box so you can see it's turning the corner here. The only thing we need to do now is adjust this one. So you can see we've got the edit path. So we're going to bring that one out. This one out, that's on the first floor. Okay, so in real life, of course, we've got the wall coming around over here. These railings are coming across here, and we could tinker a little bit more with Revit and kind of get these to extend because again, the stringer's not there, but that's not a problem. They look pretty good now. And these would in the real world come all the way down, but we're going to leave them as is for right now. Okay, and there's your basic staircase.